Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the MyHeritage app login error that happens in 2021 on some iPhones and on some Android device. I'll show you something that will help you regardless of your device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, please give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out. Subscribe if you are new. And hey, if you have any issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm really curious to know. I want to show you that MyHeritage app works for me. Here it is. I'm logged in, and here's how I fixed it. The first thing you want to do is make sure there's no updates that you didn't manage to do yet. So you want to go on the App Store, the Google Play Store, type in MyHeritage, and you want to make sure there's no update option. There's just an open option. This is very, very important. If there's an update, chances are the servers won't connect you to the older version of the MyHeritage app. Another thing you can do is go over to your settings. On an Android device, is going over to apps. For me, for an iPhone, you would go to general. From there, you want to head over to iPhone storage. And you want to search for the MyHeritage app. I'll just type in the search icon here and type in MyHeritage. Here it is. And you want to offload the app or clear the cache on an Android device. This will basically reset a lot of settings. Another thing you can do is when you go over to your settings, you want to go down and find the MyHeritage app. It's in the chronological, in A to Z order. So MyHeritage, here it is. You want to click on it. And you want to make sure the background app refresh is on and that you have access to your photos, camera, and all of that just here. Another thing that you want to do is make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or you have mobile data on, cellular data, because sometimes you could even have connection problems or network problems without even realizing it. And the last thing you can do is using a VPN. So you want to go on the App Store or the Google Play Store and download a free VPN. I know a few ones. For example, one that I used is basically this one. It's free. It has 276 feedback currently. I think it's available on Android devices, but if not, there's other ones that are also free. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.